How to use Gemini AI for presentations. If you don't want to spend hours creating a presentation, you can take the help of Gemini AI to create outlines, slide content, and even speaking notes. So if this is something that you want to learn today, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into the video. Now, before you start off your presentation, you definitely want to create a presentation outline so that you can exactly filter out what you want to speak about and what you want to add in your content or on your presentation. So in order for you to generate an outline for a presentation, you can add in a prompt just like this. And this way is going to show you the exact outline or the content that could go or the exact topic that could go inside of each slide. Not only the topic, it also provides you the content that you should focus on inside of each slide. Secondly, if you don't want to write the content for each slide as well, you can create that as well. So you can write something like this and it's going to provide content, as I said, 3 to 4 bullet points for each of these slides. This way you can take a look at the content and the points that it has provided, and if you want to keep something or remove something from this particular slide. For example, if you're having a hard time creating a note for any slide, you can also use Gemini AI for it. So this way you can know how you can start off for each of the content slides that you have. So that was the video about the way that you use Gemini AI for presentations. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.